สวัสดีครับ Today we are making a famous Thai seafood dish, Thai stir-fry crab curry or Pu Pad Pong Karee. This dish is rich, creamy, and slightly sweet. It's packed with a yellow curry flavor and a soft scrambled eggs coating with every piece of crab. Let's get started. Here's what you need: 150 grams of crab meat, 3 eggs, 3 cloves garlic, half onion, 2 green onions, 15 gram red chili pepper or bell pepper for color, 50 gram celery or Chinese celery if you can find it, 1 tablespoon of oil for stir frying, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. As for the curry sauce, 150 ml evaporated milk, 2 tablespoon yellow curry powder, 2 tablespoon mushroom soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon chili paste or Prik Pao, 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon Knorr bouillon chicken powder. First, we need to prep all the vegetables. Start by cutting the green onions into 1-inch long pieces and set it aside. If the stem is too big, you can also cut it in half or you can leave it the way it is. Cut the onion into thin slices so they're soft quickly when stir-fried. We are using about a quarter to half an onion. We try to prepare all the vegetable into a long vertical thin slices, just so it looks more appetizing and it stays consistent. Then cut the celery into 1-inch long pieces for a nice crunch and aroma, about the same length as green onions. Normally, this recipe uses Chinese celery, but regular celery is also fine as an alternative. Lastly, cut the red chili pepper or bell pepper into thin slices. This adds color and a mild heat without overpowering the dish. This dish is not supposed to be spicy, so avoid using Thai red chilies. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon chili paste or Prik Pao, 2 tablespoon yellow curry powder, 2 tablespoon mushroom soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, and half teaspoon Knorr chicken bouillon powder. Combine everything into a thick paste, then stir in 150 ml evaporated milk. Keep stirring until everything is nicely combined. Then add 3 eggs and whisk everything together until smooth and well combined. You can also beat the eggs separately, then mix it in with our curry sauce if it's easier for you. This mixture is the heart of this dish. It's creamy, fragrant, and perfectly balanced. You can also adjust the taste for your liking. Add more sugar for extra sweet or mushroom soy sauce for extra saltiness. Set the curry sauce aside. We will be using it later when stir frying. Heat a wok or a large pan over medium-high heat and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add the minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Remember, minced garlic tends to get burned easily, so just cook until it turns golden. Add the sliced onion and stir fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant and slightly softened. Add the crab meat and gently stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Since we are using the crab meat, we still want the meat to clump together as a nice big chunk, so avoid stir frying the meat regularly. The crab does not need to be fully cooked at this stage. Now, the fun part. Lower the heat to medium. Pour in the curry sauce mixture into the pan and let the sauce thicken and gently cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until the crab is fully cooked and the sauce is soaky. Keep stirring slowly so the eggs cook into soft, creamy curd and coat the crab evenly. Be careful not to use high heat here or the eggs will scramble too quickly. We want to let the sauce thicken before stirring gently. Add the remaining vegetable into the pan, celery, green onions, and red chili pepper. Then give everything a gentle stir. Lastly, sprinkle in about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper or to taste, then stir gently enough to mix everything. Turn off the heat once everything is nicely combined. And that's it. Thai stir-fry crab curry. Creamy, comforting, and full of classic Thai seafood flavor. It has bold and strong flavor, and the rice helps balance out the flavor with everything. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Thai dishes. Thank you for watching and enjoy!